If you think trading is easy, then this chart is about to prove you wrong. If you think trading is just buy and sell, then my friend, you are already trapped. Hello everyone, I am GMD Trader and I am here to tell you about how smart money liquidate your stop losses into their profit. This chart right here is an proper example of AMD structure and accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And today I will show you that how it actually works, so next time you won't be getting trapped inside it. Sorry for the delay in the video because my laptop and currently mic is not working properly, so currently recording it on the mobile only. So let's moving on the chart. We will see, as we can see, the Euro USD chart is open on and it's on the daily time frame, creating a huge liquidity on the daily time frame means we can have a big target. So here, after crushing the high with huge volume and a big spike, most traders thinks that it's a breakout and now we are going to trade in the same direction for the above side. But here only most of them are been trapped. Here we got our liquidity sweep. Now see the trap working here. As soon as player enters in this trade for a long, the market reverse within the second candle. And here everyone's SLs are gone. After switching to a 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that how the market has liquidated the stop losses of each and everyone who was having a buy side trade after the breakout. Now here we can clearly see the market structure shift, the MSS over here. Currently recording it in my mobile, so not so good because I am not able to do it properly. So after the MSS, we have our 1 hour, 4-hour demand zone up above over here. Now some people just trade like that, yes, it's going in the bearish trend, so we will be following the bearish trend and enter over there only. But we have to wait till our order block is been tapped or mitigated. Now while placing the position, every time we have to just keep in the mind that the SL should be a little above than your order block, because sometimes the market comes up, fills the order block fully and then reverse down. So our SL should not be taken out, so we just give a little buffer over there. Now we are targeting the liquidities zone which are below. Now here I am marking 3 liquidity zones, so we will be booking the profits in 3 different parts. The reason is that because we have to capture a big trade, the liquidity was full on the daily charts, so daily liquidity capturing we need a proper profit booking, because even a single candle can blow our accounts. So the reason of booking the 25% on this candle or this target is we don't have to book the full profit at a time. We will be dividing our profit into 3 different parts. If we are trading with a lot 1, then we will be booking our 0.25 on the first TP, then 0.25 on another TP. So here we will be booking our total 0.5 from the lot 1, and the remaining 0.5 we will be totally booking on the last TP, which is our 50% remaining. The reason behind is that if the trade goes against our direction, then we will be also on a safe side that we are at least having our 25% of the TP or the 50% of our TP. And after we reach the both means 0.25 and 0.25 TPs, we will be tailing our SL towards the starting 0.25 TP, so we won't have any wrong directional chances of the markets, because currently the markets are unpredictable. Anytime a single news and we are boomed. So here we have been topped, the order block has been tapped. Now here we were placing our trade, our entry is over there. Now here one more thing is happening. Just a second, let me find my, where is the pen? Just a second. Because I am recording this in the mobile, so I am not that so comfortable to find the things over here. I'm not able to find the brush or a pen or a highlighter over here. So let me, I will be directly explaining. Here in the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see the order block has been tapped, but before it, there is one more liquidity sitting over here on the 4-hour time frame, which have confirmed that we are having a perfect trade, because market is going to hunt this liquidity after the MSS, the 4-hour liquidity and the daily time frame liquidity, which has been created and which has been swept with a strong bullish candle. So now we have the 3 confirmations of our trade that we are in a perfect direction. Now we will be executing our trade. See, the reason why I said to buffer a little above the order block, that big red candle, it just went toward our order block to fulfill it and then came down. So anytime if you are trading on a higher time frame, just a little buffer can save your full trade. Currently my laptop and mic is not doing so well, so I am recording this on my mobile and editing it on it only, because I don't know when will I get it back after the repairing. So here we hit our first 25%, the second 25 and the last also, because news spikes over there. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the comments. Now I could have waited for more 3 to 4 days, but still that the trust that you have given to me, that yes, I am going to explain this whole trade, that would have been broken. So I have just recorded by my mobile only. I have done everything on my mobile only. I hope you understand the trade, the thing which I am trying to explain on this. And literally it's now night 1:30. I am doing this voice recording or voice over on it, the video which I have done. The video actually I have recorded on 3:19 in the afternoon only, but the voiceover and everything I have did in the night. So please, I need your support. Thank you.